There you go, you saw the pineapple upside down cake, the crumble cupcakes, and now is to do the 3-tone buttercream cupcakes. To do that, you place butter in a bowl and you would soften the butter with a spoon or spatula, add icing sugar, milk and essence. And there you go, you have now made buttercream. Once the buttercream is made, I would be placing smaller portions into different bowls, coloring those portions, placing the colored buttercreams into a pastry bag and piping that onto the cupcakes, and voila, you have now made 3-tone buttercream cupcake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are on YouTube, and if you're seeing this on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next